Can you understand this story? Stay until the end to test yourself. Tom has a doctor's appointment today. He arrives at the clinic at 10 o'clock. The waiting room is big and bright. There are many chairs along the walls. Tom sits down on a blue chair. He looks around the room. There are 5 other people waiting. An old man reads a newspaper. A young woman looks at her phone. A mother sits with her small child. The child plays with a toy car. Tom picks up a magazine from the table. The magazine is about travel. He sees pictures of beautiful beaches. A nurse comes to the door. "Mrs. Garcia," she calls. The young woman stands up and goes with the nurse. Tom continues to read the magazine. The clock on the wall shows 10:15. The small child drops his toy car. The car rolls to Tom's feet. Tom picks up the toy and gives it back. "Thank you," says the child with a big smile. "You're welcome," Tom says. The nurse comes to the door again. "Tom Wilson," she calls. Tom puts down the magazine and stands up. He follows the nurse down a long hallway. The nurse takes him to a small room. "Please sit here. The doctor will come soon," she says. Tom sits on a white bed. He looks at the posters on the wall. The posters show pictures about healthy food. The door opens and the doctor comes in. "Good morning, Tom. How are you today?" asks the doctor. Learn with LingoStories.app.